doesn't matter even the amount of followers. It's just like, I want those people who are willing to put their face on the internet to get their friends to see the hair color. The first thing is just, making sure that we're taking as many photos as humanly possible. So my friends, please take like 50 photos. Like, I mean, I see people out there saying like take 15, and I'm like, literally, no, just don't stop clicking that take photo button until you've spent 3 minutes doing so, and get as many options as possible. Now, this app is so amazing because it works really quickly. You don't have to upload it to your computer. You can do it straight from your phone. This app literally costs, I think, like $3 to download. And my goal with this is to make my guests feel as beautiful as possible. Now, Mackenzie is who I call my photo shoot guest. She's my ideal person. She has an extremely high ticket. She wears the kind of hair color I love doing, and she comes ready. So she wears the best outfit. She does her makeup. She brings makeup with her. So this is what we call a photo shoot client. And in the social media intensive class that we offer, we talk about how do we find these people, because she fits everything that I'm looking for in a client, someone who doesn't fight me on treatments, retail, etc. So now what we're able to do, just a quick tutorial, is we want to make sure the guest feels good. So we can zoom in and we can smooth out fine lines. So you can see through here, we have all these different options. We're going to click on smooth. And what we're able to do is go through and just smooth out any areas that a guest might feel a little self-conscious about. Because what we want to do is we want to make them feel good, and we're also upping the quality of our photos. So you guys can see after, and here's before. So it's these little differences that add just touches of perfection to the hair. Now, what we're able to do too is if there's a little flyaway, we can come through with smoother and start taking that out. Or even guests who don't bring makeup, there's an option that is called tone. And what you're able to do is take this little picker, pick up her lip color, and you can help enhance her lipstick, because like, what if her lipstick has come off a little bit? So you're able to show before and after, and we can clean it up a little bit. You guys can see the before and after right there, and that photo's ready to go to post. Oh, I don't have time to do this, but you guys saw it took 30 seconds to edit that photo, and it took it from a already good photo to a stellar photo that's gonna get more engagement, get you more referrals, and then also, most importantly, making your guests feel comfortable.